How to enable location on Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable location in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you will need to take is tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After you do that, you'll need to head over to the settings. Tap on settings and open it up. After you do that, on the left hand side, you should find an option called privacy and security. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you should see different options here. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to security. You'll need to head over to site settings where you will find the permission sections. So right here, you will see location. Tap on location. And after you're on location, you can simply, turn location on. It's that simple. So you can just, collapse unwanted request, or you can just tap on site can ask for your location. After doing that, now whichever site you open up in Google Chrome will ask you for location permissions whenever they need it. So yeah, with that, you're good to go. That is how you can enable location services for Google Chrome, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.